Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to book KLM with Delta Miles. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the home, my trip, check-in and information. In the top right corner, we can see that we have all the things about your profile. And in the very middle of the screen, you can see that you have, of course, book a flight option. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and book KLM with Delta Miles. So go to the Delta airline website and log into your SkyMiles account. And then when you do that, use the search function to find the, of course, operated by KLM. You can do this by entering your departure city, destination, and travel dates. Then choose the KLM flight that fits your schedule. Look for the option to book with SkyMiles. You'll be able to see the number of miles required for the flight. Then follow the prompts to complete your booking using your SkyMiles. Just keep in mind that you can only book KLM flights through Delta, not directly on the KLM website. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.